Python overtakes Java, JavaScript as the most popular programming language for the first time in 20 years. Victory necessarily indicates that it is best what betided now? For the first time in added than 20 generations, Java through Python programming language, JavaScript, and KLA has surpassed him as the most popular language. The contemporized rank for October is removed by the directive for webhunt base. Review and track the quality of the software is centered on the fashionability of the software and programming languages over the erstwhile 2 decades. This is Google, Bing, Yahoo. In the process, a total of 25 is tested RSI machines and emplacements. The index itself isn't about the tidy programming language, nor about languages that are written most lines of the decalogue in the language, but is strictly the number of verbal quests on quest motors. Although the quantum of points used in the base performance is an important landmark for the first time in 20 bits, the topmost point is given. Jagala hopes to have a go through a simple scripting language as a locum tenens for Perl. Comprehensive operation of its library and all fields has grown the most popular programming language. Now, said Tibia CEO Paul Janssen. As shown in this programming language of the Mayer list, the walks were given to the uppermost growth in one date. Since 2007, communication with other popular languages won 4 times. There's an ajar top in the pointer, notwithstanding, it wasn't necessary due to the quest growth. Instead, the quest is sufficient to acquire an 11.27% stake on the warp of other languages. Compared to October 2020, see 5.79%, the pointer fell 11.16%, Java 2.11%, 10.46%. Other languages coming to top 10 for October indicator were in C, C#, Visual Basic, JavaScript, SQL, PHP, and assembly language. Formulators showed how JavaScript ran the most given programming language for witnesses since 2020 hung on responses. In the report, base 2.2 million formulators have grown apparent, which also added, generally due to the increase in both machine knowledge and data lore.